So hello everyone, I hope you all are doing well. So today I am going to tell you about an opportunity from Capgemini campus. It is basically hiring graduates of BCA and BSc of 2022 batch. So I am going to tell you about everything. So please watch the video till the end. So let me start by giving you an intro about the company. So basically it is a global leader in partnering with companies to transform and manage their business. By harnessing the power of technology, the group is guided every day by its purpose of unleashing human energy through technology, and their basic aim is inclusive and sustainable future. Their responsible and diverse organization of over 3 lakh team members in nearly 50 countries across the world. With its strong 50 years heritage and deep industry expertise, it is trusted by its client to address the entire breadth of their business needs, from strategy and design to operations, fueled by the fast evolving and innovation world of cloud data. The group reported in 2022 global revenue of about $16 billion. So basically in India, it comprises over 1,50,000 team members working across 13 locations: Bangalore, Bhubaneswar, Chennai, Gandhinagar, Gurugram, etc. and many other. So basically, let me tell you about the purpose. So the nature of work and career are changing fast, as you know. So the right skills apart from academic qualification is as important as academic qualification. So if you have the passion, you have the right skills, you have the aptitude to work with new technologies, then it is the best place to build your career. So they invite BCA and BSc graduates from 2022 batch to register and apply. Okay, so let me tell you about the eligibility criteria. So candidate graduating in 2022 batch only are eligible. So the qualification must be, one should be BCA or BSc graduate, open for computer science, information technology, electronics, statistics, mathematics branch only. Should have 50% and above in graduation till 4th semester or 2nd year. Should be open to sign 2-year service legal agreement at the time of joining. You must be flexible to work from any location across technology domain and should be flexible to work in shifts. Candidates should not have more than 1 year of gap between 12th and the graduation. Candidates appeared for 12th twice will be considered provided both the mark sheets are available, and candidate should not take more than 3 years to complete BCA and BSc. Candidates should not have any backlog at the time of appearing for the process. Only shortlisted candidate will be invited for the test, assessment and selection process. An entire selection process from test to interview will be done in virtual mode due to the pandemic, and candidate will be responsible for arranging required infrastructure for virtual hiring process. Okay, so the last date of registration is 12 December. So selection process is 4-stage process. First is multiple choice question based English communication test. Next will be game based aptitude test. Third will be behavioral competency profiling. Then fourth will be interview process, and it will be the last. So the only candidates who have cleared test assessment from step 1 to step 2 will be invited for the interview, and that the third stage, that is behavior competency profiling module, is for understanding the intent profile of the candidate. Okay, so for this they will share a work style report of the student who complete the this stage. Okay, and one should keep in mind that receiving the work style report does not confirm the clearance of the test assessment. Okay, so for registration you have to click on the registration process, and then you have to apply for the job pool campus drive for BCA and BSc graduate 2022 batch, and then you have to submit the application. Please be very careful while registering yourself. So I have told you about everything, and we are, for your convenience, we are also providing the registration link below. So please apply as soon as possible you can. Till then, keep learning, keep watching and keep exploring yourself. Thank you everyone.